So here's the thing. I don't mind driving down these roads in my 3-month-old Rubicon. I know it's a couple feet deep at the most. A few holes maybe get a little deeper. But these sides roads are so flooded during the wet season, unless you're in a swamp buggy, you're getting stuck. It'll be 4 or 5 feet deep out there in some spots. It's just not worth it. Maybe if I had somebody with me in a winch, a couple other Jeeps. This thing needs to be lifted. But here I am. Have to top off, air conditioning cruising. Can't beat it. Let's take a look at the side roads. There you go. Now that's just dirt, sand, and muck. And where it's hard on the bottom, you get through. Where it's mud, you get stuck. Unless you're in a swamp buggy. Look at all the fish, baby fish right there. Can't believe it's not raining. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 93 degrees out, and it's not raining. Those are some rain clouds right there, though. It'll be thundering here in the next hour or so. It's thundering over there to the left. Look at it. Crazy over there.